Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my best slime. So I guess let's just get into it. So it's this really pretty, oh, you guys can't see. Okay. It's this really stretchy, very crunchy, bubbly. Okay, there we go. So I use these two colors to make this purple. They kind of died, and then on my arm. So yeah, let's just very clicky, very stretchy. Kind of sticky, but I like my slimes being sticky because it makes it like more stretchier and stuff. So yeah. I don't have very much glue, so I use some baking soda and some contact yeah, and these two colors in this bowl with this spoon. I'm gonna try to get all the glue and stuff. Oh, let me move all this stuff. Oh, oops. There we go. I'm not showing my face today because there are some weirdos. Even though I made some videos with my face in it, and I think I'm going to be deleting them. Sorry. Ooh, made a bubble. That's the color. I'm going to add a little bit more blue. A little bit of red. There. Might dye my hands, but I don't really care. Well. I know, or next to the spoon. Oh, on the table. Hasn't dyed my hands yet, but I bet it will. Whoa, look how pretty. So, mixing it. It's kind of hard recording because I'm on a tablet. And comment down below if you are in school yet. Oops. Sorry, there was a lot of content. maybe I'll show you my bad slime. But I have to wear gloves for that. And I can't pause my video, so you might be like staring here, or I might bring it with me. Look at that. Oh, it's a butt cheek. I know I showed my face. Oh, look. Too close. Sorry, I can't see it. Move contact. No, not the contact section. My slime has never did that. And my bad slime is this very pretty marbly color. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and get the gloves. One, two, three, four. I go run back to my. Okay. Oops. Oh my gosh. Keep tripping. Finally. There we go. Now let me. Put these gloves on. And then I will get the slime. It is over there. Over there. Underneath the center eye. And if some of you guys are wondering what grade I'm in, I am in 5th. Well, 4th. Almost in 5th. Well, not really in almost 5th, but let's just get these. Oh my gosh. That's I'm pulling off. Oh my god. Pulling off my gloves. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna get the slime. And if you hear some loud noise, there, I have some dogs and a grill out here. Let me move you. Put you in the bowl, and it's sticking to my gloves. Get off of me. Okay. Ah! Stop it! Okay. Oh my god! Sorry, guys. Okay. Finally. So, please make the slime look like. Oh my god, this is hard. Literally, I'm using all my muscles. Look how pretty it is inside. It does not even stick to itself. And here's the one that is same as it. Whoa, look at the bottom. That's great. Hi. Yeah. And I also have these both bad slimes. Oh my god! You, slime, get away from me. I'm gonna be throwing you away. So, I just tied my hands. We're gonna be doing some pet peeves. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, my hair. Okay. We're gonna be doing some pet peeves. So let's get into it. Okay. And they kind of too slow when it rips. I did that on purpose. It really took. When they just make, when they do the swirl and they don't crunch it, and don't poke it. That's it. That is a new shirt. I'm not doing no more pet paint because they ruined my shirt. Well, not ruined, but yeah. So that is all that I have for you guys today. So if you want to see me on Roblox, just search me up Slime and Squishies. OMG, the OMGs are all capital. So, bye! Bye, guys! Make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below what grade you are in and if you started school. Bye, guys!